Wow!
Hey!
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! Run.
Help! Help!
Hey, you.
What is that?
I need your help.
Okay, I'm ready.
How to go now?
Are you ready?
Okay! Oh my gosh!
We catch dinosaur.
Oh my gosh! Hello! What's up? Okay! Wow! Hey! Hooray!
Ooh! The car panicked and fled.
Oh man!
Oh no, the monster is coming. Oh no, the car fell into the sea.
Oh!
pulling the car up from under the sea. Why are you in the water hole? Okay, let go. The car flew over the sea easily and continued to rescue other cars.
Go, 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 go!
The crane arrived and the rescue began.
Okay.
The second car is in need of help.
Oh, thank you!
After receiving thanks from the two vehicles, the crane truck continued on its rescue mission.
Sorry! Yes, that's it!
After discussion, the crane started going out to the sand pile. The car is luring the monster to the sand pile.
Hey, you! Go, go, go!
Oh look, the monster is eating a bunch of grapes. They are digging into the mountain to trap the monster.
Hey, you! Hooray!
Two cars traveling on the road suddenly encountered a large mountain of sand, causing the road to be lost.
Uh-oh. What happened? Oh my god! Ha ha! Let's go! Hey, you! Look out! Uh-oh. Oh, man!
Wait for me, I will pull you up.
Hello!
The rescue vehicle quickly followed the police car.
Let's go!
On the way, they asked for help from the fire truck. The rescue vehicle team was fully present to rescue.
Oh, man! Hey up, hey up! Bravo!
The fire has been extinguished.
Bye, have a great time.
The fire truck put out the fire and a crane came in to rescue.
Okay.
The blue truck quickly went to ask for help building the bridge.
Hey, hey, hey!
The rescue vehicle quickly transported the bridge to the sand pit location to build the bridge.
Yo ho ho! Hey, you!
Okay.
Yeah, the broken car is being towed by the Hulk to the place where it needs to be rescued.
Hooray! Bravo! Thank you!
Wow, they are hoisting the bridge onto the sand mountain to make a road for vehicles.
Yoo-hoo!
The bridge is so sturdy that vehicles can pass over easily.
Bye, have a great time.